Christine from Chalk Couture, and it is Creative Kickstart time. Choose a project to bring the zing and inspire you every single day, like the Lift Where You Stand kit. It includes everything you need to make this divine decor piece: an exclusive B-size transfer, marvelous and shimmer gold Chalkology paste singles, 10-inch gold round, and a small squeegee. Or if you're up for more of a creative adventure, try our The Good Gets Better D-size transfer. This standalone transfer is also exclusive. It is while supplies last. What are you going to create? Well, it is perfect on a pillow. It is smashing on a Sylvie square, and it is gorgeous on this 18-inch gold round if you are an expert. You can unlock the possibilities when you visit your Chalk Couture Independent Designers Chalk site. Check out specials under Shop to see both of these Creative Kickstart options. The kit even has a special pack price, and the transfer alone is our everyday value price. Check out those prices on your screen. And if you're a Club Couture customer, you will save even more. Log in to see your bonus discount on Creative Kickstart. And if you're not already a Club Couture customer, I'm just saying, June is a great time to join. So refresh your room and kickstart your creativity with one or both of these two amazing offers. This June only, online only, and only from your Chalk Couture designer.